I will tell you, though, that I am so thankful and happy to have both of these young ladies. I have to call you young ladies, but, and I'm so proud of you.
I feel fulfilled because that was always, I've been away from home for 10 years going to school. And so with Pono Legal, I keep telling Heidi this even yesterday, like the opportunity to actually walk the walk now is so fulfilling to me.
Join me, Alaka Ipaleka, for Aloha Maui, brought to you by the Hawaii Community Foundation, available wherever you get your podcasts and on YouTube at Talk Aloha Maui.